we divide 596 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 596 divided by 5 is 119 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.